Now let's discuss about copyInit and moveInit special methods in MOJO programming. Please find the syntax and example task given for your reference. Please pause the video and go through the syntax and example to understand the logic. Let's discuss the given example and its explanation. Explanation. The code starts by declaring a pointer to an array of 8 bytes. The code then allocates the memory for this array and copies the input string into it. The _init_ method is called when creating a new instance of the class, while _del_ is called when deleting an instance of the class. The data property onSelf stores a pointer to the allocated memory, which is freed in _del_. The code is a part of the implementation of the _init_ method. The code above allocates memory and copies data into it. The ownership of self is then transferred to the newly allocated memory, which will be deallocated when _del_ is called on self. Let's see another example of the _copyInit_ and moveInit_ special methods. Please find the explanation of the code syntax. The code is trying to assign a string value to the variable b. The code is assigning hello to the variable a, and then trying to assign that same string value, a, into the variable b. However, because my string doesn't implement _copyInit_, it will cause an error when attempting this assignment. The code should print hello and goodbye. The myString variable a is initialized with the string hello, and then assigned to the myString variable b. The myString variable b is then assigned to the string object a, which prints out goodbye. Why we need copyInit method to rescue. Take a look at the example. Now we will try to understand the logic. The MOJO compiler doesn't allow us to copy the string from A to B because it doesn't know how to. Here, my string contains instances of pointer. MOJO doesn't know what kind of data it points to or how to copy. To enable this, we implement the _copyInit_ special method. How to implement copyInit method. To implement the _copyInit_ special method. Please find the example and explanation logic. The value b equals a copy produces a logically distinct instance of the string with its own lifetime and data. The copy is made with the C-style strtup function as instructed by the lines of code above. MOJO also supports the moveInit method, which allows both Rust-style moves, which take a value when a lifetime ends, and C++-style moves, where the contents of a value are removed, but the destructor still runs, and allows defining custom move logic.